Hello everyone. Following the last video, today I would like to introduce the customization options for our NEMA sockets. Based on over 20 years of sales experience, we will briefly introduce the situation where customers required customized sockets. For lighting upgrades and renovations where there are no pre-existing openings, the socket needs to be installed externally to the lighting. In such case, customization and upgrade modifications are necessary for the product's cable lengths, waterproofing, and installation method. Next, we will show you detailed information. The first one is the cable lengths. We can customize the lengths according to the customer's needs. The second, the waterproofing by adding a waterproof back cover and the waterproof cables and waterproof glue. And work with our Photocell, we can achieve the best IP67. The third is installation. We provide brackets, clamps, and other accessories to assist with installation. Friends, if your project involves more complex requirements than those mentioned above, please leave a message to contact us. Our engineers will work together to customize the most suitable socket solution for you. I'm Stella from Shanghai LongJoin, and that concludes our product customization series. If you have any further inquiries, please leave us a message. Goodbye.